Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to trigger a webhook in Make.com. If you want to automate workflows between different apps in real time, webhooks are one of the most powerful tools you can use. In Make.com, webhooks allow you to instantly trigger scenarios whenever a specific event happens, instead of waiting for scheduled checks. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Make.com. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the Scenario Builder, where you can create and manage your automation workflows. From the dashboard, go to the Scenario section from the left bar. Then click on Create Scenario. This will open the Visual Builder where you can add modules that define how your automation works. In the Scenario Editor, click the plus icon to add your first module. Search for webhooks and select it from the list of available integrations. Make.com provides a webhook module that allows your scenario to receive data from external sources. After selecting the webhook module, choose the option for Custom Webhook. This will allow you to generate a unique webhook URL that you can use to trigger the scenario. Click Create a Webhook to create a new webhook, then give it a name so you can easily identify it later. Once created, Make.com will generate a webhook URL. This URL is the key to triggering your automation. Anytime data is sent to this URL, your scenario will run. Now, copy the webhook URL and move to the app or service where you want to trigger the webhook. This could be another automation tool, a website form, an API request, or even a testing tool like Postman. In that external tool, paste the webhook URL into the appropriate field and configure the request. Most webhooks use a post request to send data, but this can vary depending on the setup. After the webhook successfully receives data, you can continue building your automation by adding more modules. For example, you can send emails, update a spreadsheet, create CRM entries, and trigger other workflows. Once your scenario is fully configured, click Activate, so it runs automatically whenever the webhook is triggered. Using webhooks in Make.com allow you to create real-time automations that respond instantly to events, making your workflows faster and more efficient. To summarize, triggering a webhook in Make.com involves creating a custom webhook, copying its unique URL, and sending data to that URL from another app or service. Once the webhook receives data, your scenario runs instantly, allowing you to automate actions in real time without delays. And that's how to trigger a webhook in Make.com. By setting up a custom webhook and connecting it to your workflow, you can automate tasks instantly whenever an event occurs. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.